Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Samsung Galaxy A53. Let's start the video. First of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down and click on general management, click on reset and click on reset all setting. Reset network setting. Enter phone pin, click on reset. Again tap on this option, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.